All right. So one thing I really like to do is I like to put videos in my Blackboard, announcements, just little video announcements of me, just so that they're not just reading text all the time, and also make it feel a little bit more personal. I just use, I videoed very short. It's really important that these videos are short. So just a quick short announcement that I'm going to make to one of my classes. I'm going to actually do it for all of my classes, but I'm just going to show you one of them. It was just like a 1.5 minute, hang in there. You're going to be fine. I'll figure it out. I'll get in touch with you later the week kind of thing. So, let me show you where you would find this video. So because I want to take this video from YouTube into my Blackboard. So I'm going to go into Google. I'm going to make sure I'm on my UNE. And just so you know, here I'm going to go down to YouTube, is on my iPad, I actually just had my iPad upload it right into this, my UNE YouTube. Maybe that's a video for another time, or just email me and I'll tell you how to do that. So once I uploaded it, remember, you're going to go to your channel. And to find the videos, it lives right here. But if I want to make sure it gets in the right playlist, I go to YouTube Studio, because that's where all your videos live. And I'm going to go to videos. And I'm going to click on it because it's that video. It's 1 minute and 57 seconds. And I'm going to add it to the playlist of Foundational Literacy. I'd already done that. It's click there, so I'll save it. So now, when I open this video, in a perfect world, so here I am in Blackboard and I want to create an announcement. In a perfect world, I would be able to click on this announcement, and hypothetically, this little red button here is supposed to take you right to YouTube. You'll even see it'll say sign into YouTube. For the life of me, I cannot get it to sign in to UNE's YouTube account. I don't know why. It's something about the app not being secure. So like everything in technology, there's always a workaround. So I'm going to show you the workaround that I use, which is probably not okay, but that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to go back to my video. I'm going to open it up. Actually, let me do it this way. Maybe it'd be easier if I showed you, if I go back to my channel. Again, it's always this little right hand to my channel. It's just the way I prefer to do it. Go to my playlist, which was the Foundations of Literacy, and here's that video. And here I am. I'm just going to stop it for there. And then I'm going to go down to this button called Share. So I'm going to share, and what I actually want to do is I want to share the HTML code. In order to do that, I go to Embed, and I click on Embed, and it gives you all this gobbledygook, which is basically the code. So I am going to copy. Hold on a second, let me move my little screen here. I'm going to copy this code, and it just automatically copies it. And now I'm going to go into announcements. And do you see this little thing that says HTML? If I click on that, it gives me this box. I paste my code in there, click update, hit submit. Oops, I didn't give it a title. I'm going to say, don't panic. We will get through this. I'm going to hit submit. And voila, there it is for all of my students. So that's one way I put videos from YouTube into my announcements.